All right, I definitely don't need to start a new project, but I got to get one off my mind. I've had for a long time, and it's based off of a little bucket. Now, to give you some context, I use a Rubbermaid tin or whatever to carry tools and do wood carving and scroll carving and all sorts of stuff. Anywhere I need to travel or go. But this one has gotten holes punched in it, broken over time. It's really annoying. I found this little thing, and I don't even know what it's for, but it's got some drawers or spots for what I'm gonna put in as drawers. And I can put in like a little mini tool rack here in the front. So right now, I got some special woods I'm gonna use. I got these boards. These are from an apple tree that was infected with some sort of fungus. I think these would make great drawer fronts. So step one, I'm gonna make some little dovetail drawers that fit inside of here to hold tools and little projects and stuff. So see how this all works out. All right, I have my pieces cut for drawer fronts. I'm calling them little drawers. Drawer fronts in size, they're gonna be kind of thin because I wanna maximize space. But down in here they have a piece of wood per thing. And I'm assuming just to strengthen that maybe. I don't know, keep it straight from bowing. But I'm gonna crack that out of each of these and then start dovetailing all these. Now, I thought about it afterwards. I wish I had made one that cracked in half, like had hinges in it maybe, so it could open flat. I may end up doing that and adding some spacers or something. I'll figure that out. All right, so I'm gonna cut all the dovetails for all these really fun pieces of apple wood that I've been keeping for years. So half blind little dovetails for these little drawers that are gonna go in the case right here. So normally anything thicker than this, I would be putting in a vise and using a Western style dovetail saw or whatever else is. But especially for thin stock, this is like 3/16 maybe. I want to kind of maximize the space in this little case. I just use a pull saw, little Dozuki, and cut on the bench. So this acts as my vise because I'm pulling down. So I'll go this way and cut all my lines and then cut all my lines. So I'll do that on all of them. And I just take my time cutting lighter strokes than normal. All right, so that's that board done, and I've got all the others done as well. So next steps is to chop out the sides and then cut out the center waist. Now, this little project reminds me of the little project I did when I had to make lots of boxes for screws. I'll grab one of those drawers real fast. When I had to cut all of these dovetails for my screw storage, which if you haven't seen that, I'll pull you over there. So this little box in the wall has all my screw storage. It holds 1 pound boxes of screws or nails or whatever. And yeah, so they're all those little itty bitty dovetails. And so I had to do, I don't know how many in there, but I enjoy dovetails. You can see them everywhere in my shop. All right, I got all the pins and tails cut for the 3 drawers. So now we just need to assemble them. Dovetails are all done. I need to do a little bit of cleanup. Some of these boards had cracks in them, so you'll see that in the seam. But most of them are nice and clean. But better than that, got them to fit. Well, there you go. So that guy will fit right in there. This one, however, I went to fit in there, and it's the right size, the right everything, but I didn't recognize the corner needs to be rounded pretty heavy on this side specifically. So let's do that. All right, put a decent chamfer on that side. Now I almost made a big mistake because once all these 3 drawers are in there, they are nice and tight. They are not going anywhere. If I put all 3 in, I don't think I could get them out very easily without drilling holes and putting in the handles I want to make. But I also realized this chipboard has sagged or warped. So when a drawer goes in, it actually wants to kind of like snag because this thing doesn't go all the way to the back for whatever reason. But anyways, I got to figure out that stuff. But it's nice to see. Let's see if this guy fits. This on camera. There we go. Yeah. Just like so. So that'll be the whole little set in there. Love it. Getting there. All right, there it is. I figured I could just actually kind of like shuffle these out. So I don't really have them have exact, but that'll be a little drawer, little drawer, little drawer. And I got some fun things playing in here. So we got to sand them, oil them, finish them, make some inside little pieces, make some handles. But that makes me very happy.